Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview DPPAN Inflatable Swimming Pools for kids and adults. Let's enjoy the water fun in this round above-ground pool. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy inflatable swimming pool, so you can relax your splashing pool party in the backyard. This above-ground swimming pool is made of high-quality environmental protection PVC material. It's an environmental protection and harmless material which can provide structural integrity to your pool. Just select a level surface, inflate the top ring, fill the pool with water, and you'll be splashing around in no time. Get ready to have hot summer fun in minutes. Add a touch of color to your summer family gathering. Product benefits. Easy to assemble, no tools. The pool can be easily dismantled and stored to save space. Walls the pool tear resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.